Assalamualaikum friends, here is mega bundle of PowerPoint templates. Here is 5000 plus templates, but these are protected in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime. Here is my Facebook page. Last is Telegram channel. Subscribe this. I will provide every link of video first here. So open this one. Here is a documentation and here is main file. PowerPoint. You can add everything. Okay, first you need this font. Click icon to add picture. Select this one. Write anything. Next is about. Click icon. Okay, same thing here. Welcome to. Okay, you can write anything. Okay, simply that's mean you can add everything here. Yes, okay. Your title here, total templates here 39. Here is icon. Infographic. Here is, you see here, stroke line color. Depend your own choice. That's mean you can edit everything. Social dashboard, here is dark one. Okay, you can change anything. Total slide is 30. Now online education present, here is 15. Okay, package that suits your education. Okay, so you can mention your price, but first you need font of this template. Here is 40 templates. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Take care of this.